Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Holly. Oh my goodness, I'm back in my office and I couldn't be more thrilled. And today I really wanted to just walk you guys through the next Palooza event that Dana, Tina, and myself are putting on. And I'm thrilled that I'm back in my craft room and I've reorganized it. Oh my goodness, it feels so refreshing to be back in this place that I've been in for over 21 years, but had to misplace myself due to my husband closing his office and relocating into my office. And he just moved out a few weeks ago, and I started an overhaul in here, which will be a completely different video, walking you through how I reorganized and really basically purged 21 years worth of scraps and miscellaneous little tchotchke embellishments here and there and maybe some ribbon, and got it all organized. And oh my goodness, it feels so good. And so I've been crafting lately, as you can tell, and I am going to walk you through some of my projects that are coming up for the Autumn to Remember Palooza that we're doing and the classes that I'm going to be teaching. And then I want to give you a sneak peek at the projects that both Tina and Dana are doing. So I'm going to drop you down on my desk and let's get started. So I wanted to start with the Autumn to Remember scrapbooking workshop and walk you through the pieces that are in here. This is the second workshop that Stampin' Up! Has created for scrapbooking. And you guys, it feels so much like close to my heart. They did such a beautiful job with this workshop, and you are going to be absolutely blown away by Dana's version and interpretation of these 3 double pages. So let me just walk you through what comes in this kit. So you're going to get a workshop guide. This is such a beautifully presented, again, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, this looks so much like the Close to My Heart guides. It's a beautiful guide. It is detailed perfectly. It is so very similar to the way Close to My Heart outlined their guides. It's on beautiful paper so that you can reuse these again in the future with other papers. And then inside, you're going to receive a beautiful sheet of laser cut chipboard, not chipboard, but laser cut board that has wood grain on it. I forget what you call this material, but anyway, it's really beautiful. It's very thinly cut, so it doesn't add too much bulk to your pages. You're going to get a beautiful sheet of stickers. Again, they feel so much like the Close to My Heart stickers. You're going to love these. And then you're going to get the Designer Series paper in these patterns. And let me just show you. They are double-sided, and you're going to get 2 sheets each of these 3 patterns. And then on the reverse side are these gorgeous patterns. And then you're going to get exclusive paper that is only available in this workshop. And there's wood grain, 2 sheets of those, and then a sheet of stripe, and then a sheet of this beautiful kind of diamond-shaped chocolate paper. And then, of course, the cardstock that coordinates with it. And it is the double-sided cardstock, the 2-tone cardstock, just like at Close to My Heart, you guys. So you're going to love it. One side is a softer version of the main color. 2 sheets each of these. And then, if that wasn't enough, you are going to get some white cardstock, and then look at these fabulous punch-out dies that coordinate, and again, they're labeled on the back for each project. There are 2 sheets of those. I don't want to punch these out. And that makes up, oh, and the placeholders. Yes, can't forget the placeholders, the photo placeholders. So you're going to get a stack of those as well. And that rounds out this gorgeous, gorgeous workshop that I truly feel that Stampin' Up!, not only are they committed to memory keeping, you guys, but they are hitting it out of the park with these beautiful projects for you. So I have them done. I'm going to just set those off to the side, and I want to walk you through the pages that you're going to make during our Palooza event. And let me just share with you again what the original one looked like. And this is Dana's interpretation. She does use a green glitter paper. I didn't have any, so I used some of the old Close to My Heart gold glitter paper, but I absolutely love the gold. I think it really looks beautiful on these pages. So we are going to use an 8 by 12 flip flap, and look, you're going to get 4, 3, 7 more full-size pictures onto this layout. And I just love the journaling. I love all the accents that she did. It is just such a beautiful project, and I love the title. She gives you a lot of great tips and tricks for centering things and creating these amazing clusters that are just so pretty. So that's page layout number 1. Here is layout number 2. She actually uses flip flaps on this one. I knew that I wasn't going to need additional flip flaps, so I didn't use them on here. But again, I just want to highlight for you the beautiful clustering, the use of the titles, putting some pattern paper behind that chipboard piece. I just love it. And then this is layout number 3, which, oh my gosh, it looks amazing. It is so different than the version in the example. And just, again, I love her little tips and tricks, and we are going to create this really fun pullout that fits beautifully on a top loading page protector. So this is layout number 3. And then you know that Tina always does such a beautiful job with her pages. I'm not going to be able to show you them all, but I am going to give you just some little sneak peeks. Oh my goodness, you guys. Her clustering and cutting out the icons from the paper and using them on the layouts is spectacular. This is the other one I want to share with you. Oh my word. This was so adorable to just create, and I'm so excited about these pages. So you're going to make 4 double 12 by 12 pages in Tina's workshop. You're going to make 3 double pages in Dana's. And then my workshop is card making with a twist. We are going to do bags, gift bags, and tags, and then a gift card enclosure with this. And my dear friend Lisa Stuntz made these on the demonstrator planning page. She shared it with us, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be so perfect for our Palooza. So I couldn't wait to take her idea and run with it. And I just absolutely love this stamp set and dies. The More Than Autumn set, you guys. Oh my word, it is so substantial. And these images alone, you are going to get so much use out of them. And I'm going to give you a lot of great ideas for turning them into fun little treat bags, gift cards, and then a larger one. This is just a craft bag that I picked up at Walmart, created a really fun tag. Look at that little whipped cream. I'm going to show you guys how to take this larger image and turn it into the topping for the pumpkin pie slice. Just absolutely love the dimension that you get from these dies at Stampin' Up. They are so beautiful. And then I have a bonus class that I'm going to be sharing, and this is a little sneak peek. So we are going to be making this adorable little gift bag with a Velcro enclosure and this adorable little, I call it like a triangle belly band. This is going to be so fun to create. And I don't know about you, but I'm constantly needing little fun gifties that I can give to people when I go over to their houses. And I just thought this would be such a fun thing to put either like a tea in here or a special little treat for the holiday in there. And then, oh my goodness, look at this little mini shopping bag. I am going to teach you how to do this as well. And we're going to use some really fun dies from this set right here. And it is called Nested Essential Dies. These guys, oh my goodness, we are going to have so much fun with them. They are like the perfect thing for not only creating this banner back here and then the title, but we are going to make some really fun little mini titles on these bags as well. So I hope you guys will join us. All the details are found in the comments below, as well as the supply lists for all of these projects. And simply just place a $50 order on my website and you will be invited to this Palooza via Facebook, and we open it up a week before. So this event takes place the first weekend of November, so we will be adding people at the end of October, and I hope you guys will join us. Remember to click that like button, comment down below for me, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this channel.